Hello, in this video I will show you how you can enhance your image quality in the Hypic app. So first launch the Hypic app. Now import your image by clicking on this import button. Now select your image. Now go to the adjust option, go to enhance and then allow. This will enhance the image automatically. Now you can see your image has been enhanced, your image quality has been increased. So that's how you can enhance your image on the Hypic app. So that's how you can enhance your image quality on the Hypic app. Now download this image, and this has been downloaded onto your mobile phone.